Jackie will cut a piece of paper into equal sized parts to share with 3 of her friends. Which shape shows how Jackie could cut the paper so that she and her 3 friends have exactly 1/4 of the paper? Now, when you look at the fraction 1/4, what that means is you have one of the same exact size out of a total of 4 pieces. So all of these, whenever I look at these pictures, I need 4 total sides, and each side has to be the same exact size. Now I'm going to skip A, you'll see why. C is wrong because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total sides. B is wrong because this side is so much bigger than the others. And so if you're looking at D and you're like, maybe, no. This triangle looking thing is much smaller than this trapezoid looking thing. Much smaller. So it can't be D. If you look at A is the only one where if I were to draw these out and fold these over, and if I knew how to actually follow the lines, this would be a whole lot nicer. But if I were to draw these out, these are all triangles that look like they're going to be the same size. So I'm not even going to try to draw these out because you saw what happened when I did. A is the only one that worked, so A is going to be our answer.